Let's look on how to create a React button, add an event to it, and add an event handler. So without further ado, let's get started. So below here, I'm going to add a simple button using the button tag. So I'm going to use the button tag, and I'm going to give it a button text, apply job, and I'm going to save. And then I'm going to add a click event on this. So I'm going to go within the button tag, start tag, and I'm going to add onClick event, and I'm going to attach the event handler. Now let me create my event handler function. So I'm going to go within this app function, and I'm going to create an handler called submit application, and this should be a synchronous function, and it should be an arrow function, and I'm going to throw an alert box on this when this event handler is called. So I'm going to say thank you for submitting your application. And then now I'm going to attach this event handler to this click event. Now I'm going to save, and then I'm going to turn over to my browser, and now let me click on the button, and you can see the event is called, is triggered, and the event handler is called. Next, let's look on how we can add some CSS style to this button. So to add the CSS style, I can give it a class name and call it btn. So let me call it btn1, and then I will need to come to my app.css and select the btn1, and then apply the CSS style. So let me add the background color and give it the background color green. Let me add the text color and give it the text color white, and let me add some width, and maybe 50 pixels wide, and then the height also 50 pixels. Let me change the width to 200 pixels, and let me give it some margin, and now I can give it the margin 10 pixels on each side. But most importantly, I also want to give a margin to left. So the margin left, let me put it at 300 pixels. And now let's view our button. So we have our button placed right here. We can even add border radius, and let's give it a value of 5%, so that we can have some radius at the corners. So the button is beautifully styled here. You can even add your own styles just by playing with CSS styles right in within here. So when you click on the button still, the event handler will be called and the action will be displayed. So that's all about this concept, how to add a simple React event